So now let's see how we can add fog effect inside of the image that we have in GIMP right here. So in order to add in the fog effect, first of all, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around under the decor section. And over here you can see that fog is an option. So if I were to go around and choose fog right here, then what happens is that it opens this up, and now you can go around and choose around the fog color. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and choose, let's say, green right here, and I'm going to press OK. So I can change around the turbulence level and change around the opacity. And if you were to go around and press OK right here, just like this, then you can see that the fog has been added in with a smoky effect, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, decor, and then go to fog right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and change around the color, let's say, for example, something like purple right here, I can go around and select that. And if I were to go around and press OK, then I got a second fog right here, just like this. So you can see that I got a green fog and a purple fog right here, just like this. So I can go around over here and you can see that this is what you have right here. And then you can work around with the opacity and so forth as this is applied in a separate layer. And that is how you can apply fog effect inside of your images in GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.